You keep saying, I'll start tomorrow. You make the plan, but the action never happens. You get stuck in that loop, overthinking, postpone, feel guilty, repeat. If you're living a sedentary life, especially one with time freedom, this can become your default. No alarms, no hard deadlines, no external pressure. And without structure, everything starts to drift. But here is what most people don't realize. That loop is not a motivation problem, it's a cue problem. Because action does not come from pressure, it comes from reliable signals. And when those signals are missing, you postpone, that's all. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain has no clear trigger to shift gears. This is exactly what keeps people stuck in what I call the comfort bubble. You're not in crisis, you're not in motion. You're somewhere in between, comfortable but disconnected. And over time, you lose momentum. You fade into sedentary struggle that's hard to name, but it's easy to feel. Here is the good news. You can rewire that loop with something incredibly simple and free. Nature gives us some of the most reliable cues on earth. Cues that repeat every day without fail. Cues that trigger presence, movement, and rhythm. Let me show you. Listen, when the sunlight hits your window in the morning, that's a cue. When the sky begins to shift colors at sunset, that's a cue. When the late afternoon sunlight stretches across your home, that's a cue. These are natural contrast cues. And when you pair your outdoor habit with one of them, you shift everything. Instead of relying on willpower or calendars, you build a cue-based rhythm, a nature cue-based rhythm, something that travels with you through seasons, relocations, and different life phases. This is how you start moving out from the cozy drifter zone and toward becoming a steady striver, someone who's consistent even on unstructured days. Now here is how to start today. 1. Choose one single cue that already happens daily in your outdoor surroundings. Morning light, sunset glow, or I don't know, shifting shadows, bird chirping more. 2. Link it to a micro outdoor action. A step outside, a breath outside, a breath of fresh air, a 2-minute walk. Let the cue lead the habit. 3. Track it visually. Use a simple calendar, a notebook, or the 366-day outdoor time tracker to build momentum. Comment tracker if you want it for free. This isn't about productivity, it's about proof. Proof that your momentum muscle can grow one repeatable cue at a time. Because when your body sees the light, it moves. When your brain sees a streak, it continues. And when your system gets clear signals, it changes. Yalla, that's another reason to go outside.